What do you get when you combine a cutting-edge, technologically advanced, pure virgin polymer system combined with a proprietary blend of synthetic waxes to produce the most versatile floor coating? You achieve perfection. Made from pure acrylic polymers for the ultimate response from burnishing, Perfection produces an extra hard, wear-durable film that is scuff and scratch resistant. Perfection Advanced Floor Coating is an easy-to-apply finish that dries fast, levels excellently, and is versatile enough to be applied in facilities with conventional, high, or ultra-high-speed maintenance systems.